Hey there, what's up? Casey Zeman here, founder of EasyWebinar, and I'm super pumped because I and a bunch of awesome speakers are putting together the EasyWebinar Power Summit. So if you are somebody who's been wanting to figure out how to basically tell your story better, create a sales presentation, understand how you can use webinars to sell anything, your whatever course, program, software, what have you, how to get more customers, how to keep customers happy, and how to do it all on autopilot in a big way going into 2022, then be sure to register for this free summit. It's going to be awesome. We have speakers like Amy Porterfield, James Wedmore, Jesse Ecker, Caitlin Batcher, Dakisha Williams, so many more who are coming on, and they're going to share the best of the best, what they know about webinars. These are our EasyWebinar top users, and you know, in 2020 we did over 10 million webinars in 2020, and so we've gotten to see what works and what doesn't, and as such these folks are the top users who are generating 7-8 figures a year, selling their courses, their programs, all through webinars. So please join me, because this is gonna be awesome. You know, they say that webinars are dead, and I actually agree with people that say webinars are dead. They were buried 6 feet under, but what was resurrected in their place was a brand new way of basically acquiring customers and keeping customers happy for years to come. And I'm gonna show you how they've evolved and how you can use them in 2022, going into 2022 for your business to scale up your business. Seriously, if you've wanted to figure out how to change your sales, you know, if you're not sure where your sales are coming from next month, you're always kind of in launch mode, you want to figure out how to do evergreen webinars, we got you covered. If you want to do live launches, product launches, we've got you covered there. We have speakers that are talking about that. We have speakers that are talking about, you know, doing, you know, how to sell software and running demos and things like that. So again, this is going to be fun. Be sure to register. And I will see you there, okay? There's awesome stuff when you register. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye.